Hi guys, let's now discuss the nth function. This function returns the nth item in a list. 0 is the first item. It is a zero-based index. So let's take a look at our example. We have here n3 of our list, which is A, B, C, D, E. So let's count. We have here 5, but by definition it starts from the 0 index, which is 0 is the first one. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we should be getting the D. Yep. Another example we have is n0 of our list of numbers. 1, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So in this case, we should be getting the first item in the list is zero-based index, which is 1. Alright, so if we now apply that into the line definition data and get nth last. So this is our definition data, which we have here. If we apply now the nth into that list, so let's try retrieving the third item in that list. So it should be 2 because it's zero-based index, 0, 1, 2. So that would be the third. And get up nth last. This is what we've got. That is the third element, which is this one here. Alright, so nth offers us the flexibility rather than using the CADR or CDDR or CADDR. Nth function gives us the dynamic kind of list manipulation where we can just specify which index we want. So let's say we would like to get this layer property. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That should be 7. So if we issue our nth command and we put here 7, we should be getting the layer, which is the number 8 association list. We are under layer 0. There you go. Okay. So this is 7, this is the 8, this is the 9th, the 10th, and the 12th. So let's say we would like to get the starting point. Later on, by the way, we will discuss all about these group codes, the DXF group codes. So don't worry about this one for now. Let's just focus on list manipulation. So 10 is actually the starting point and 11 is the end point. So if we want to get the 10th, the starting point, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it should be the nth 9. There you go. And the endpoint should be the 10th. Okay? So that's about the nth function. You have lots of flexibility there. But just be careful and remember that it is a zero-based, so it's always start with 0. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.